Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO or OXO meat beater. It's a lightweight tool to use. It has a flexible tip here and the other two tips are rigid. It's pretty sturdy, like it. You can stand it up just like this here. And let's see how it beats meat. As you can see, I'm stirring the meat here. It's very good for stirring the meat with little effort and getting it all around the pot. So it's a pretty good tool that I like to use, and it's a hard plastic and rubber material, which makes it easy and lightweight, and it's pretty easy to clean. It's a very useful tool to use when cooking meat. This is my review of the OXO meat beater, and I hope this helps.